We have an array of programs here. Whether you're more sports-based, you can go into H&HP, or whether you have a more agricultural background, you guys can visit Gale Hall and go to our ag program. The teachers in both spectrums are amazing. Their hands-on activity is what attracts people to McNeese, and that's what attracted me. I'm here in radiology. I've loved it since day one. I didn't know if that's what I had wanted to do. I knew I wanted to be in the general population working with them, and I wanted to help out, and radiology was the way to go.
In the academic programs that the education department does provide is the first year of your education program. You are in the classroom, you're able to observe teachers. You always have those mentor teachers there for you, not only outside in the classroom environment, in the field experience, but also in school, on campus, in online classes. You're always going to have that support from your professors, from the faculty.
If you're interested in agricultural sciences, we have 3 campus forums that you can go to get those hands-on learning experiences. We have a McNeese autism program. They are the best children you will ever meet. So if you guys are going to psychology, it's a great way to get an understanding of what you're going to be doing beyond McNeese. We work with the local community to get our students hired for those higher demand jobs. As the world changes and evolves, we have majors and minors that can get you those jobs as you graduate from our programs here.
The McNeese academic programs offer you different opportunities. They provide you with job fairs. You're able to talk with them, they guide you through it, they give you support, and that's just kind of one step closer to being able to get a job.
If you're someone that feels lost about what major you want to take here at McNeese, you can come to our career services program and you can take a personality test, and they'll match your personality to your job type, and that way you'll know what you can do here at McNeese.